commercial customers achieve a higher productivity. And what does that mean is, so in a simple term is like they're able to spend more time on the lawn than off the lawn. And so there's less maintenance required. So there's no need to go to the gas station to fill up your equipment. There is an ability to work faster, more effectively with less fatigue. So less fatigue leads to higher productivity. So cordless offers so many opportunities at various levels, and so we're here to enable our customers to really to manage their business better and to achieve better results.
We really identified Greenworks as just on the cutting edge of product development, and having sort of the right products, right resources to be first to market. From the very beginning, what has stood out to me about Greenworks is that from a product development, from sort of a vision of where batteries going, they have been on the cutting edge of developing the most powerful, best products in class. And so if you look at their 82 volt commercial lineup right now, they have a 3.4 kilowatt chainsaw, which is a giant battery chainsaw and from a performance standpoint, and they have the highest CFM backpack blower. And so they're continuing to sort of in each category develop the biggest and best product for that category. On the zero turn side, they were the first ones to market with a 16 kilowatt product. So they're continuing to develop these sort of best products, best in class products.
Folks have started looking a little harder at an electric, whereas maybe they would have just taken the more common route for them, which was gas powered. But we're doing a really good job with the utility vehicles. And then so far, the residential zero turn has probably been our biggest individual unit, like model seller so far. We also had some good promotions on it. And like I said, it's got the removable battery technology where for a homeowner or, a large property owner kind of person, it really does make sense for them to be able to take all those batteries in that machine and go use it in a chainsaw or a backpack blower or whatever the case may be. But so far, quite frankly, the entire product line has really sold very well. We're very happy with our decision with the Greenworks products.
I think identifying what your goal is really helps you figure out how to approach the products correctly, and to know which ones do you want to have demoed, which ones do you want to test. So we worked with a landscaper who wanted to start with hedge trimmers. We had a product that they thought would be safer, would be more enjoyable for their operators to use, and they thought it was a great way to begin to test how battery would work within their crews. So that was the product that we started with, and it really matched up with their goals of sort of safety and worker comfort. And that way they could understand how battery would work, and they could start to build a plan. Okay, how is this going to scale as we use more and more battery products?
Cities, states, and counties are mandating that two-cycle equipment is no longer used, and so this battery technology is going to be needed. So just the amount of noise, the decibels that two-cycle produces, it's a lot less in the battery-operated vehicles. So we're seeing that benefit immediately. And then you kind of other part of the employee satisfaction, just the fumes and sort of that fuel. Working a long day in the heat, those engines get pretty hot. Obviously, there's the pollutant part of it. So I think from an employee standpoint, it's a much nicer product to utilize during the day.
BrightView's made a commitment, a big one, to impacting the environment through our ESG initiative, which is also our goal to reduce our carbon footprint. So two-cycle engines are the biggest impact to that environment. We think that doing this is the right thing, again, for the business. So we've been working with companies like Greenworks to get us to that point. So going cordless or battery operated seems like it's a priority and also a no-brainer to really getting us to our carbon neutrality objectives.
All we do is rechargeable products. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we eat, breathe, and sleep rechargeable products. Products that would really truly replace gasoline product in power and in runtime.
At the end of the day, it is important to understand the technology applied, the battery power, the runtimes. Greenworks offering includes high voltage platforms such as 60 and 80 volt for the consumer and an 82 volt for the commercial customer. These allows to do performances which are better than gas, because there is enough power available coming out of the batteries, and also combined with high efficiency motors, it allows the customers to provide a power experience which is better than what they had before.
The goal in this was always that we could give that customer a product that would meet, or most importantly, exceed the performance that they were getting out of their gasoline products.